হ্যাপি বার্থডে। ভালো থেকো, এনজয় করো, সুখে থাকো, সবাইকে নিয়ে ভালো থেকো।
Many happy returns of the day, Vati. Happy birthday to you. Stay happy and stay safe. Enjoy your day.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে, খুব ভালো থাকো, খুশি থাকো তোমরা সবাই। আবার যখন দেখা হবে তখন নিশ্চয়ই পার্টিটা ডিউ থাকলো। आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है, हे
आती रहेंगे बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। ओ मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के, यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
मैंने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए। मैंने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए। गाते रहे हम खुशियों के गीत, यूं ही जाए बीत जिंदगी। हो
आती रहेंगे बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। Oh, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and stay safe.
Birthday Meshu. So this is the first time I'm playing guitar and this tune is specially for you.
Happy birthday, Samir and Meshu.
Happy birthday, Sanda!
Happy birthday!
एक सपना देखा था मैंने, जब सोचा था तू साथ था। मंजिल नहीं थी आसान, रास्ता था मुश्किल, पर जब चला उस पे तू साथ था। डर लगा मुझे और घबराया भी, कुछ महसूस हुआ था, वो कंधे पे तेरा हाथ था, तू मेरे साथ था। जिंदगी का वो मोड़ आया जब गम ने मुझे बहुत सताया, तूने वो हौसला जगाया, हर वक्त तू ही आसपास था, तू साथ था, तू हमेशा मेरे साथ था। Written these lines for you, Samda, straight from the heart. I hope you like it. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the most loving, caring and understanding Jiju. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Papa, happy birthday to you. This is for you. Skidamaring, kading, kading. Skidamaring, kadu.
We love you.
Skidamaring, kading, kading. Skidamaring, kadu.
We love you. We love you in the morning, in the afternoon. We love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh!
Skidamaring, kading, kading. Skidamaring, kadu.
We love you.
Hi Samiran, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Have a lovely happy birthday today and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Samiran. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Samiran. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Samiran. Keep cooking, keep painting, and keep running.
Oh, he cooks. Invite me also next time when you cook. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Who's crying? Who's crying? Is there anyone crying? Let's see. Who's that? Is that your father or someone else? Let's find out. Whoa.
Hey, it's quiz time. Start it now.
Okay.
Hey, no answer. Hey, it's me, Samiran. Okay, so the first question is, what's the largest island within the Indian Ocean?
India. Is it India?
No. You have to think from a different perspective, different point of view. It is Madagascar. Okay. The second question is, let's say there are 10 people in a circle. Okay. Then all of them are blindfolded, all like patti. Okay. And then someone rolls a dice in the middle. And then what you have to do is find out the date of birth the person beside you. Okay, see, fine. Okay, you I know it's a bit difficult. I'll give you a clue. Okay, forget the answer. Okay, forget the answer. Don't think about the answer at all. See, let's say all of them are below 20 years old, na? And then all of them are born after 2000. And then try to find out a formula or a, let's say, a program or algorithm. Yeah, perfect word. Okay, find an algorithm to describe a way to find out the date of birth. See, only 20 years, only 12 months in a year, only 30 days in a month. Go find out. Go do. Very easy. I give you 2 hours. Go now. Okay. Actually, you know what? Forget the question. Do that some other day, okay? I'll ask you another one. Let's say...
Is it easy one?
Yeah, it's easy, simple, very easy. You can do it in 1 minute.
Alright.
Okay, so let's say pick any 5 numbers from 1 to 50,000. Okay, 50,000 or 50 million. Okay? And then try to find the possibility that all 5 numbers are 1-digit numbers. What happened? Get up. Okay, yes. All 5 numbers are 1-digit numbers. Find out the possibility for that. Okay, that must be very simple. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, counting only. And then find out the possibility for 2-digit numbers. Okay, fine. Come with another algorithm. Simple, just take some paper, write down 1 to 50 million, write all the numbers, very simple. And then just take like 2 minutes and then find out. Easy. Yeah. See, okay, if you don't get this right, go to the left.
Going to the left.
Left. Happy birthday, Quizmaster. Adios. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samiran. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samiran. Happy birthday to you. Hi Samiran, happy birthday to you. Stay healthy, happy, and let's have a party.
Hi Samiran, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Wish you a lot of love, happiness and good health in coming year.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Samiran.
May this year you make lots of painting, sing a lot of song, and not to forget, do a lot of cooking.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Samiranda.
Keep smiling.
Keep smiling.
Keep cooking.
Keep quizzing.
Keep painting.
Keep
Rocking.
rocking.
Happy birthday,
Samiran. Enjoy and stay blessed, and hope you find your alien friend Jadoo someday. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Hi Samiran, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day with family and friends.
Hey Samiran, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samiran uncle. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to Quiz Masters, presenting our very famous contestant number 1. So here comes the first question. In which year was Samiran born?
He was born in 1999.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is 2001. Never mind. All right, contestant number 1, question number 2. So what does Samiran loves the most?
That's pretty obvious. We all know whom he loves the most. But just to be very sure, because last time I was wrong, can you give me a hint?
It starts with the letter B.
Yeah, I know. We all know whom he loves. I mean, it's a stupid question. But again, can you give me one more hint?
The word also has the alphabet R.
R. Oh, it's very easy. It's very easy. B-R-I-S-T-I. Brishti.
Very close, but wrong answer. The correct answer is beer.
Happy birthday to our Quizmaster Samiran.
Keep quizzing.
Keep cooking.
Keep sketching.
And keep smiling. Happy birthday, Samiran. Take care.
Have a great one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Shorty bad, but the Skechers on. Wanna hold your hand, make you my girl. Light up, Skechers. Light up my world.
Shorty bad with the Skechers on. Wanna hold your hands, make you my girl. Light up Skechers. Light up my world.
Shorty में तो बंदा खराब,
Yeah.
फालतू में बंदा नवाब.
Yeah.
बाहर से बातें, लेकिन नहीं पीता शराब. No, क्योंकि मेरी family, तो मेरी रुचि. आप just बंदी, मेरी रुचि. सब कुछ यार trying to get me right. I'm feeling something, just make it good and happy.
सब कुछ check है, swoosh. तेरा सब कुछ सही है,
Yeah.
क्या वो तेरा बंदा, हाँ? क्योंकि मैं तो साथ हो गई है. दुनिया वैसे भी पड़ी मेरे पीछे, तू भी प्रेस बातों से डर के लगाओगी. ऐसे खेलना बंद करो, फिर मुझसे कोई कंधा गाना लिखवाओगी. Shorty bad with the Skechers on. Wanna hold your hand, make my girl.
Light up Skechers.
Light up my world. Shorty bad with the Skechers on. Wanna hold your hand, make you my girl. Happy birthday,
Uncle,
thanks for lighting our world. Happy birthday, Samir uncle.
टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा.
Hey Baba, what? Stop the practice now. Go and pack your bag for tomorrow's concert. Oh God, Pots, তুমি কি করছো? टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. समीरन अपने लिए थाई करी बनाएगा. अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. थाई करी नहीं, ऑलिव राइस भी खिलाएगा. अपना टाइम आएगा. शांति रखो परिमल, अपना टाइम आएगा, आएगा, आएगा. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the quiz show. I am your quiz master, Samiran Das. Let's welcome the teams.
We are
Team Brainless.
Okay, so my first question goes to Mr. Parimal from Team Brainless. Roll please. Go, let's go. Who is the founder of the famous Apple company?
Adam and Eve. No.
Well, that was an epic failure. Question, it goes to Vanshika and Sachi from Team Brainless. Who is the rock star, come master chef, come performer, come an artist of Livia?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Obviously, Samiran uncle.
Well, that was a great finish to today's competition. See you guys.
This is for you, Samiran uncle.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Samiran.
সামিরান দাদা, তুমি চিন্তা করবে না, আমি আসছি.
दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ।
नहीं समीरन नहीं है, तू हो पागल समीरन।
दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चल जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं सबसे कह दूं।
तुम्हें क्या नींद बहुत आ चुकी? चलो नीचे उतरो समीरन।
दिल करता है सड़कों पे जोर से गाऊं, सब अपने अपने घर की खिड़की खोले। Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा, Rock on हर लम्हा पुकारा, Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू, Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा।
सो जा सनी, सो जा, तो पापा गाने लग जाएंगे।
Searching for the fine shorty, in my world the number one hottie. Everywhere she make him go crazy, got to get me, yes, not a maybe.
तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरे सपनों की गलियों में I keep looking for you baby। तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरे सपनों की गलियों में you keep driving me so crazy। दिल में तू रहती है, बेताबी कहती है, I keep praying only all night long। Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram।
हेलो, क्या 4 बजे? नहीं 4 बजे नहीं हो पाएगा। 5 बजे? नहीं 5 बजे डूडू का क्लास है, तभी नहीं हो पाएगा। चलो देखती हूँ मैं। ओके ओके देन, बाय बाय। बाबा रे बाबा, बहुत काम हो गया, ये भी तो करना है।
Hey Prishti, have you listened to my new song? I have dedicated a song to myself on my birthday.
कितना पकाओगे समीरन? तुम जाके खाना पकाओ।
I have an intercontinental idea.
Fine laundering white rice with tender golden lentils that were gently simmered. It will be served with fragrant butter. It comes with some freshly washed spring water lettuce that comes from the organic farms of Switzerland. Would you like to try some?
समीरन, कितना पकाओगे? तुम सीधा बोलो ना, तुमको खिचड़ी बनाना है।
सवेरे स्म्यूल पे गाने गाता है, सुना के गानों को मुझको सताता है। ओ समीरन तेरे स्म्यूल की कसम, खाना पकाना तो दस्तूर हो गया, तारीफ करने पे मजबूर हो गए। ओ समीरन तेरी कुकिंग की कसम। समझे जमाना तू पेंटर पुराना, पेंटिंग से अब ना हमको डराना, सीखा है अब जाके गाड़ी चलाना, पार्किंग करने में ना घंटों लगाना। क्रिकेट फुटबॉल का तू फैन है बड़ा, लिविया रैपर का तुझ पर डैग बढ़ गया। ओ समीरन तेरे रैपिंग की कसम। लाइफ में आके कर दे पूरी हर कमी, यू आर द बेस्ट कहते स्प्रेहा और सनी। ओ समीरन तेरे प्यार की कसम।
जो तुम्हारी आंखें उसकी पेंटिंग्स को देख पाती, जो तुम्हारी नजर उसकी बनी तस्वीर को पढ़ पाती, तो तुम जान लेते समीरन का जादू क्या है। जो उसके गाने तुम्हारे कानों को छू जाते, जो उसके संगीत की मिठास को तुम महसूस कर पाते, तो तुम जान लेते समीरन का जादू क्या है। जो साथ बैठकर फुटबॉल का मैच देख लेते या उसके अनगिनत सवालों के जवाब दे पाते, तो तुम जान लेते समीरन का जादू क्या है। जो हर वक्त सीखने की ख्वाहिश रखते, जो दूसरों की खुशी में अपनी खुशी देख पाते, तो तुम जान लेते समीरन का जादू क्या है।
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm from Smule, US. Is this Mr. Samiran House?
Yeah.
Can you please call that gentleman? I want to discuss some important point with him. He is not the only one on Smule. We have so many important subscribers. There are small kids. If he keeps singing so loudly, what will happen to the peace of this nation? Singing so much that he has utilized entire bandwidth of our Smule servers. Because of his utilization, our services are going down, our sale prices are going down. He is not the only one we serve to.
सामिरान, बास करो अभी।
Happy birthday, Papa.